right after this, so might as well not waste any time. So, Bowman Chrome. First time I've seen Bowman Chrome. I haven't. I bought a hobby box for myself, but I haven't opened it yet. I was gonna wait till tonight after this. Let's see what we got. All right. One, two, three, four, five, and six. All right, we start off the break with a Mookie Betts Chrome and a Logan Allen rookie card, a Kenan Smith. Here is a Kyle Isabel. And last one, a Royce Lewis. Not a bad start. Jacob deGrom. Yoshi Sasugo, rookie card. Jeremiah Jackson. It's at a $4.99. It's a nice card right there. Let's leave that one up. Luis Garcia. And last one, a Marco Luciano. Manny Machado. Michael Baez, rookie card. Here's our autograph, a first Bowman Christian Koss for the Colorado Rockies. Vidal Brujan. This is a nice AL East guy. And Orelvis Martinez. That's quite the name right there. Blake Snell. Seth Brown rookie card. Joe Ryan. Jesus Sanchez. And the last one, a Michael Bush for the Dodgers. 2 more packs left in this mini box. Anthony Rendon. Isan Diaz rookie. Dawn of Glory, Joe Ryan. Michael Toglia from the Rockies. And Noah Song for the Red Sox. Whit Merrifield. Ketel Marte. JJ Matijevic? I don't know how to say that. That's quite the last name. I totally botched that. DL Hall, another big Oriole prospect. And a Corbin Carroll for the Diamondbacks. All right, one box down, one to go. One, two, three, four, 5, and 6. Well, I saw the White Sox. Thought it was going to be Luis Robert. It is a Zach Collins rookie card. Steven Strasburg. Jarren Duran for the Red Sox. Sean Geel. And Shane Baz for the Tampa Bay Rays. Justin Dunn, rookie. Garrett Cole. And Eduardo Escobar, blue out of 150. It is 122 out of 150. Keone Cavaco for the Twins. And Monte Harrison for the Marlins. Zach Gallen, rookie. It's a nice one. Buster Posey. Oh, here we go. We have a Ricky Vanasco, first Bowman purple out of 250. Extremely nice card. I love the autograph. Dude's got some penmanship. Very nice. Diego Cartaya? And Isaac Paredes. Sean Murphy, rookie. Corey Kluber. Ethan Lindo. Ethan Hearn. And William Contreras. 2 more packs left. It's a nice Dustin May rookie card. Chris Bryant. Oh, yeah. Matthew Liberatore out of 50, gold. 15 out of 50. Very nice card right there. Jeremiah Jackson. And Tanner Hook for the Red Sox. Last one. Nolan Arenado, John Means, Forrest Whitley for the Houston Astros, Cole Roederer, Cubs, and the last card we have a Matt Manning for the Detroit Tigers. All right, just a recap, we got the Matthew Liberatore Gold, the nice purple Ricky Vanasco out of 250, and also got an Eduardo Escobar Blue, and then we got a Christian Koss autograph, along with some other good stuff. Again, I'm going to put this up on YouTube as soon as this is done. I'm going to get all these sleeved up, sorted out, and everything, and I should have these all shipped out by Monday. So that's it, guys. Have a great rest of your weekend. See ya.